So the Master of City Design is the recent addition to the suite of various graduate and undergraduate programs housed at College of Urban Planning and Public Affairs. It's a one-year intensive graduate program that provides an immersive experience in a wide variety of urban contexts in the great city of Chicago. We are collaborating closely with practitioners and scholars in the area, and Chicago is a great place to sort of meet up and interact and learn from a wide variety of practitioners who work in this great city. So within a few weeks of the start of the inaugural semester, students have already begun to produce cutting-edge work supported by many practitioners. We invite several guest lecturers, we go out for site visits and take full advantage of being in Chicago. The studio space is sort of purpose-built and designed specifically for fostering a variety of different learning experiences and presentation for students, equipped with cutting-edge technology and computing technology and printers and plotters. The Master of City Design program, in terms of its pedagogical content, is issues of social equity and environmental concerns. We believe this is one of the largest departments, as some of you might know, of urban planning and policy in the entire nation, both in terms of the number of alumni from this program and the faculty size. We are teaching how to plan for city design, and it is important in that respect to sort of pay attention to social equity and environmental concerns that we believe shape the 21st century city.